Hi guys, Tech Savvy here. Did you know you can learn making websites right on your phone without PC? Yes, you can do that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Believe it or not, the era of smartphones have made coding more simple and easy to learn than some decades ago. Looking back from the time Tim Berners Lee invented the web and now, we can admit that mobile phones have played a significant role in the internet advancement. Well, there are so many text/HTML editors on Google Play and Apple App Stores to help our study, so you just type in search for HTML editor on the App Store. However, I would recommend Anwriter text editor. You can find this on the App Store, or search it from Google Search. Google Search or Bing would give you results to download Anwriter to help you start your journey of coding right on your mobile without PC. Yes, without PC. So in this video, we'll use Anwriter to learn the basics of website development. Web development basics are very easy to learn. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to design a simple web page on your mobile phone displaying the text, "Hello world, I love developing web pages on my phone." We'll use HTML and CSS to do this. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS also stands for Cascading Style Sheet. These are the two fundamental languages all website development evolve around. Well, most programmers do not consider HTML to be a programming language, but we can't deny the fact that it plays a significant role so far as the internet is concerned. So it can't be limited by how it's perceived. There are so many web technologies, but HTML and CSS are their parents. HTML is very easy to learn and CSS is easy too. Picture HTML in your mind as writing a letter to someone. A letter is made up of heading or title and the body comprises of everything you'll write. So, HTML is similar to this. HTML is a collection of tags or elements that come together as the building blocks for web pages. Some of these tags are p-head, titled, body, and more. And to comment in HTML code, it's done like this. This is an HTML comment, it'll be ignored by the browser engine. Each tag has its closing tag. So P will be closed as /p and head as /head, and the rest follow the same pattern. So, a typical HTML file looks like this. So, write this code in your Anwriter editor and click on the play icon to run it to display the web page. So that's it for today. You have successfully created your first web page on your phone without PC. I would entreat you to explore more and learn more, because we never stop learning. I will recommend w3schools.com to help you in your web development journey. Trust me, they are the best when it comes to learning how to code. I hope you enjoyed our video. Let me know in the comments section how you understood the sample codes in this video. Like and subscribe. Then until next time, adios.